miles an hour, light traffic.
Duty officer, all true base stations and patrols in A Patrol 1. Code 1 for 316. Lieutenant Coleman is command and control.
213 west, approaching 93. 50 miles an hour, right lane. Light traffic.
See if anybody with stop sticks.
527 is going to be at the top of the ramp. A1, give New Hampshire heads up.
On the line with them now. Number of occupants, 316.
Can't tell. Just took 93 north, heading towards the state line. 50 miles an hour.
Receive, do not go into New Hampshire. Terminate at midline.
Getting them stopped in the ramp.
Alright, Methuen in New Hampshire.